So, blessed morning, my brothers and sisters to the Lord. So, ang devotion po natin for today is makikita po natin in 1 Timothy 8 to 9. So, 8, alam naman natin ang kautusan ay mabuti kung ginagamit sa tamang paraan. 9, alalahanin natin ang kautusan ay hindi ginawa para sa mga mabuting tao, kundi para sa mga walang kinikilalang batas at mga kriminal. Para sa mga hindi kumikilala sa Diyos at sa mga makasalanan, para sa mga lapastangan sa Diyos at walang hilig sa kabanalan, para sa mga mamamatay tao at pumapatay ng sariling ama o ina. Amen. So we can see here, mga kapatid, that Apostle Paul wrote to Timothy in this letter. So Paul strongly warns against false teaching. So this letter was written sometimes between Paul's first imprisonment in Rome, from which he was released. So, kung makikita natin, mga kapatid, that Paul wanted Timothy to fight against false teaching at itama ito. So, in our verse, mga kapatid, makikita natin that Paul emphasized the proper use of God's law to bring conviction of sin. So that people are driven to the gospel for salvation. Amen. So, ating makikita, mga kapatid, that the law, hindi ito ibinigay para sa mga righteous people. But God's law was given to the ones na kailangan ito, and that is the sinners, for them to be able to convicted sa mga kasalanan nila. So, in this way, they will seek salvation through Christ. Amen. So, ano nga ba yung application nito, mga kapatid? So, what is the application? So, for our application po, as a Christian, we should be able to teach God's law properly. At dapat natin itong intindihin at unawain. So, in this way, if we will teach or share to others, we will not be a source of false teaching. At palagi natin tatandaan that God's law is important to us believers. Bakit nga ba? Because in this way, we can see or reflect on our sin. So that is all for our devotion for today po. God bless us all and have a good day.